Warren Buffett is the original smart money. And in this video, you will learn how to copy his strategy step by step. This is how we can actually copy famous investors like, for example, Warren Buffett. Or maybe you want to copy famous investors like Ray Dalio and so on and so on. This is really, really magical. And one sort of aha moment that many of you guys might not know is that these are actually public portfolios. So Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio has to report what they are holding. So if you want to, you can simply just copy what they are doing. But I want to give one warning sign right away is that I usually don't recommend to just blindly copy exactly what people are doing. And the reason for this is that I think you should at least have an understanding of what you are holding. Because an investor like Warren Buffett, he might buy a stock for one reason, and you might not agree with that reason. He has been investing for, maybe 80 years now. So he will have completely different goals than you might have. Maybe Warren Buffett right now just want to keep his wealth. Maybe he doesn't want to grow it as fast anymore. So you want to understand the reason behind the investors, and then if you decide that they have the same motivations and maybe the same past performance as you, then you can just copy their portfolios if you want to. But here, as I said, the portfolios of legendary investors are public. And just two examples of investors you can copy. As I mentioned, you can copy Warren Buffett, which is known for owning quality businesses for a long, long time. Another super, famous investor, you've probably heard about him. It's Ray Dalio, and he's known for more diversification. And he basically, I would call him a macro investor. So he usually zooms out a lot and look at the big picture and invests based on that. So he has a diversification across assets and economies. And as I briefly mentioned, you want to study the reasoning behind the picks. And this is maybe a little bit too harsh of an advice, but never blindly copy them. You can copy them, but don't just go in blind and fully copy them. And here, to find other investors' portfolios is super, super simple inside InvestingPro. All you need to do here is that you go to the Ideas tab right here. And then, as you can see, you have tons of different portfolios, and you can see exactly how they have performed. You can see exactly what is inside the portfolios and so on and so on. So one of the most common one is, of course, Warren Buffett. So all you need to do here is that you can search for an investor. Let's just say we search for Warren Buffett, and here you have Warren Buffett's portfolio. So you can just click right there, and here you have a nice summary of all Warren Buffett's stocks. So if you scroll down here, you can see all the stocks here that Warren Buffett is holding. And here, one very interesting thing about Warren's investing that might be a little bit counterintuitive is that, as you will see, the top holdings like Apple, American Express, and Coca-Cola, they actually take up a very large amount of the portfolio. The top 3 stocks here are almost like 50% of his whole portfolio. And this is one thing you will notice about successful investors is that they are often not super diversified. Many times they will actually be very concentrated. And that is because in order to beat the market, in order to perform better than the market, you usually need to focus on the few companies where you actually have an edge, where you think that you actually know something better than the market. And it's impossible to know maybe it's impossible to know everything about 500 stocks. So it's better to focus on few stocks that you really, really think will beat the market. But as I said, by focusing on few stocks, you will also have more risk, but the best investors will get more reward by doing like this. And here, as I said, we can look at other people's portfolios. So once again, we can go back here to the Ideas tab in InvestingPro. We can go here and search for maybe Ray Dalio. And just like that, you can see Ray Dalio's portfolio appears right here. We can see exactly what Ray Dalio is holding, as you can see, holding a lot of NVIDIA. But we can go back to the Ideas tab as well. And if you want to, you can go down here and filter on what type of portfolios you want to see. Maybe you only want to look at billionaires, then you can press right here and all of the billionaire portfolios will appear, and so on and so on. But yeah, as I said, if you want access to all of these billionaires portfolios, and if you want to follow along, you know, throughout the rest of the course, we're actually soon going to talk about some of the pre-built AI investing strategies, as well as the Warren AI. If you are interested in this, I do have the special link to InvestingPro down in the description and pinned comments. But right, so now it's time to take a look at how to build your own. This video was just a very short clip from our full investing course right here on YouTube. To access the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.